Keep driving, you guys. Yeah, don't run into the car. Don't run into the car. Actually, bring it here for a second. Oh, hang on. I'll just come to you guys. That's what you guys do when the battery can't be charged. You make something work. Go! Not bad for free. Hey, there's a wall there. I think he took driving lessons from your mom. I think he took driving lessons from your mom.